Ayun na nga. So, yung isang dating account namin sa previous company. So if you didn't know, I was a supervisor for 6 years sa previous company namin. I've been there for 10 years. Naging agent ako for 4 years. And yung isang account namin na I've worked for 8 years, unfortunately, it's gonna end of life. It's gonna close, magpo-pull out na yung account. It's a financial account and dalawang tranches or batches yung last people to be removed. So yung first batch, I think it's gonna happen this December, and yung last batch will be next year, January 2026. So anong ibig sabihin nito? So kung ikaw ay naka-receive ng notice about end of life na yung account na pinagtatrabahuan mo, so that means mawawala na yung account, hindi na sila mag-extend ng service nila as a like operation sa company nyo. And what you have to do is you have to prepare. Okay? So marami kang options now, maraming work from home. Ngayon, I work as a mortgage broker support sa Australia, and you can also do so. Okay? If you wanna apply, let me know. And if you have experience as a mortgage broker support, let me know. If you don't, let me know. And if you want to learn more, please do so. Comment down below. And yun nga, what does it mean? So you have to prepare. Make sure you open your contacts. Kausapin mo yung mga kakilala mo na nag-work sa PPO, sa corporate, as a VA, or mga kaibigan mo na nag-work. You just wanna communicate with them, probably tell them what's going on dun sa account nyo, sa company nyo. And most likely naman malilipat ka ng account, but depende dun sa account na napuntahan mo. And especially may mga background pa, like interviews din na kailangan. And it's really important for you to pass. But if you think this is the time, God's willing, na you move out of the company, move out of the account, grow, expand, move out of your comfort zone, I think this is the best time then to update your resume, communicate to your friends, and trust God. Okay? Trust God more.